Hello again. So today we are trying to figure out how to start working on the Word documents. We will be looking at two things. One is the Google Docs and the other one is the Microsoft Office from Microsoft Office Word. I will start with the Google Docs, which is a free software, and I will show you how to open a new document in Google Docs. Easy way. Docs.new. Once you will type in this and hit enter, the free software provided from Google to work on the documents, Word documents, or to create your own documents will be available. There are many options available over here. I will let you work yourself also, adding some homework stuff to practice all these things on the ribbon, on this easily accessible ribbon, which lets you work with your text, the selected text specifically, to change the formats of the text from bold, italic, underline, or to change the color of the text, etc. I'll show you also within this video how to work on these things, and that's going to be really easy. By the way, these menus for file, edit, view, insert, etc. are normally common and provided by all the softwares. File is normally once you're done with your work and you want to save it or to share it with others, you always do that from file. And then the editing related to mainly your files also is done over here. View is to change the options of your document. How do you want to see that? You want to see it in a print layout, or you want to see your rulers in your screen or not. Ruler is a small thing that was appearing, showing you the dimensions of your page. So you can view or hide it also from these menus. Let's start working on some things. And I will start typing something. It will be easier. Start typing while saying something. Start typing whatever I am saying. And while showing you the usefulness of Google Docs, let me add one thing. If I just don't want to type in and I'm not feeling like I'm good at that, so voice typing is also another option. Let's see the magic. Once I clicked on that mic, whatever am I saying is being typed by Google Docs itself. And I will suggest you to use this tool, which is really handy and easy, and especially because it's free, it will always help you to type in your own stuff. How can you access it? Simply in your Google Docs, go to the tools menu, and then from there, you can always access the voice typing. Well, as soon as you will try to do that, that means Google Docs is considering you're done with your voice typing and it stopped working on that. But I have enough of the text available with me now. And notice that all of this text is in one place, in one paragraph. And now I will tell you how to select some things. Moving around, you can click at any place. Let me increase the size now. We can do it with your two fingers, moving it on the mouse pad or the keypad on your computer, or you can zoom it in from here. Whatever I was saying is being typed here. And if I will increase the size of the window itself, you will be better able to look at the menus, I believe. So now let me show you some things. If I'll click anywhere in the text, the cursor which is blinking is telling me the current location of my cursor. If I'm here and if I will do the double click, single click will bring my cursor along the location of the pointer, mouse pointer. Double clicking will let me select a single word. And if I will triple click on any place, it will always select the whole paragraph. So single click to change the location of your cursor, double click to select a single word, and triple click to select the whole paragraph. Once you've selected it, from the ribbon, if you will click bold, the whole, each and every word which was selected will be bolded. Then if you click italic, it will italicize the whole text. And if you would like to underline everything that you have selected, you can obviously do these things. And if you didn't like the changes, simply undo or Control Z can both work to bring it back to the normal text. Here it's showing you which text is normal. All this text was normal. If I will try to mention in the first line into Google Docs, let me correct the typing. How am I correcting it? If I mistyped something, it will be underlined in the red color. If I click on that, the Google Docs will give me suggestions. I can opt or ignore that. And if I'm committing an error on grammar, it can give me options and suggestions to adjust those errors also. So I can definitely use the suggested pattern. All the things I go wrongly in lowercase and I, so it's suggesting me to correct it. So these are the things that can always be noticed. Now keep on looking at this type of the text also. At this time, the style is normal text. If I want to make this first title of my document as a title, just applying the format of a title will make it bigger and definitely professional look of titles of any of the documents. Once this is done, I can definitely change the location of title. And if I want all my titles in this document to be center aligned with this change, I will go simply back to the title and I will tell the Google Docs to update the titles of this document match the current format which is selected. So next time, if I will do the same change on title, let's say, and if I will select for normal text, I will change it to a title. It will automatically go to the center, which is my preferred title format. Undo will definitely bring it back to normal text. Now, as I mentioned earlier in the class, that if one paragraph is in one format, but you want to split it with some other text, or if you want to highlight something or simply in a separate paragraph, you want to work on something else. So hitting an enter key will start a new paragraph all the time. So I can definitely type in, this is a new paragraph. In a new paragraph, if I will double click on this, a single word selected, if I'll triple click the same place, 1, 2, 3. If I'm triple clicking on the same place, it will help me to select the whole paragraph. Once selected, you can change the color of that specific text only, or you can definitely highlight it also. What I did now, I kept the mouse key pressed, the left mouse key, and then I dragged over the text, and this helps me to select the specific lines only. Now let's add a picture here. I can do that. If I will definitely insert an image, it can bring in some pictures from the web or from my computer. Let me search a picture from my web, and let's see, what do I want to add? I want to add Google image. Let's see. You can definitely add text or images related to your stuff, your assignment or the homeworks. But what did I mean? If I will just bring in the Google as an image and it's entered, let's see, where do I want to enter that? I want to insert it here. So bringing this image here, it prompted in, and if I will select this image, so 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 8 handles connected to that side handle. If you will drag it, it will contract or expand the image. I normally try to work with the corner handles, which will move the image or resize the image proportionally. And then if you will notice, the image is pushing the text away because its inline option of image insertion is selected. I can definitely bring the text around this picture, around this image using these different options. So you see, selecting these different options, it can take the image behind or in front of the text also. Normally, this is a good option for you to choose, and while changing the size, the text will automatically stick around or be adjusted with the image. These are the things that you need to practice, keep on practicing, change the sizes, make some things underline, and we will discuss further stuff in our next class also. Thank you. Please don't forget to share your comments in the Google Classroom or in the video, or you can definitely ask some questions which will be addressed in the next class.